Hey everyone, this is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today I'm going to show you how we repaired this damage to this 2016 Toyota RAV4 on the hatch there without doing any kind of painting or body work. So you can see there's a little bit of paint damage in the corner of the license plate pocket. The customer's not worried about that. They're just willing to live with some touch-up paint. First typical step, what we're going to do is use what's called a cold glue in this scenario and pull a lot of this damage out. It's a very sticky substance that goes on the panel, and we can just use a slide hammer to pull it with the damage, and it actually pulls a lot of that out. And next step, we basically wanted to get a lot of that up with what's called hot glue, and the hot glue actually is a lot stronger and it pulls a lot heavier damage out. And then we'll move to a pushing from behind the panel. This is actually called a 22 heavy duty dent dial, moving a lot of that metal very rapidly with special tips that we use. And this step here is basically a blending technique where we're actually tapping down on the panel and kind of moving and manipulating that metal with that hammer. And you can see the tool tip is made out of a steel, polished, so it doesn't damage the finish. And here is the finished result, and we did this in a matter of, maybe about 4 hours or so at the customer's location, and this customer was extremely pleased with the end result. They're going to get some touch-up paint to touch up these little bare areas and move on with their life. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or you can log on to cfldentrepair.com to check out other videos or possibly set up an appointment if you wish. Thank you again for stopping by to become educated about the very valuable and convenient mobile paintless dent repair method. Have a great day.